how to install Coupert app, coupons and cashbacks. So yeah, this is an interesting app which you can use in Safari and use it like a Safari extension on the mobile. Yeah, with this Coupert's Safari browser extension will automatically pop up if you find coupons or cashbacks when you shop in Safari, through which you can easily find and apply the best coupon codes for over 15,000 online stores like Asos, Target, Walmart, Old Navy, Lowe's, Booking, Nike, Apple, and more. Just tap once and Coupert will automatically test and apply the most saving coupon code at checkout. So yeah, and they have a lot of back to school offers on back to school brands like these days, and they have a lot of deals in different periods. So then you can just allow notifications, and then here's just like a very handy instructions. Then you can just tap enable, and then you can just tap on AA symbol. Then you can just tap manage extension, and then you can just enable Coupert like this. And yeah, so that's basically how you can just always allow on every website, and that's basically the idea. And then when you browse different web stores, your mobile browser, you will see some coupons and cashbacks. So it can be a good idea for you to try. So yeah, that's what it is.